Oo, first half pa lang, pagod na ako eh. So,
CJ, first game against Mongolia since Game 6 of the Commissioner's Cup Finals plus conference. And alam naman natin ang nangyari nung naging finals MVP ka. Tonight, nagpakita ng Gilas goal at first time again. CJ, is there any other motivation when you face the hard shots? Kasi it seems like every time you face Mongolia, you turn in a good performance.
actually, sobrang challenging kalaban ng Magnolia kasi yung physicality, yung defense talaga, doon mo talaga makikita kung hanggang saan yung kaya mo eh. And ayun, siguro may mga times lang talaga na lucky lang talaga and na-make ko yung mga yung mga tira ko. And syempre hindi parang gusto ko lang maging consistent every game. Kahit sino man yung kaharap, kahit hindi Magnolia talaga bibigay ko yung best ko. Bibigay ko yung game ko para manalo. And syempre ayokong sayangin yung trust nila coach sa akin.
Naramdaman ko ang mag-intense yung defense ng Mongolia compared to yung Game 6.
Oo, first half pa lang, pagod na ako eh. So,
My expectations for tonight's game, number one offensive team versus the number one defensive team. What was it about Magnolia's defense tonight that made you uncomfortable?
I told the other players before the game that Magnolia likes to deny the passing lane, so we just have to counter that, and we just have to play through it. We just cannot sit around on offense against Magnolia because when they deny you, that's gonna ruin your offense. So which the players did naman, they were countering all of the denials of Magnolia.
Coach, veterans have been stepping up not only in San Miguel but throughout the league. Tonight, Chris Ross really exploded. Can you just give us a glimpse on what you think about his performance and what you have been seeing that just allows him to be this dominant?
Chris Ross has, I'm just very happy that Chris Ross has just practices after he does his skill work after our practices. So yeah, you can see what happened. Every time he practices, I think he becomes luckier. So I guess his practice or his skill work after practice proved good today.